Hello guys, today I am back with another video. Today I am going to explain top 5 best over-ear noise cancelling wireless headphones. I do too much experiment and then take top 5 best among them. With so many excellent noise cancelling headphones available in the market right now, it is not easy for us to pick one the best headphone. However, some do stand out from the pack, including the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, and too many others. I also recently added the Sennheiser and Symptom Plus and Sony ULT Wear also in the top ranges. While most of the picks on the list are full-size headphones, some are truly wireless earbuds. Regardless, they all have a few things in common. Not only do they offer excellent ambient noise muffling capabilities, but they also boast a comfortable fit, good sound quality, and strong voice calling performance. Those are the key factors I evaluate when determining what products end up on the list. Pricing also come into play, especially for value picks. I have fully reviewed or had hands-on listing time with all the products on this best noise cancelling headphone list. If you are just looking for the best budget noise cancelling headphone pick, check out the best noise cancelling headphone under $100 also in the list. So now I will explain one by one some of the basic characteristics which are favorable for you. So Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones. These are very nice and amazing one. While the Bose new flagship Quiet Comfort Ultra headphone may not be a huge upgrade over the company noise cancelling over 700, but these are very nice headphones. They feature a more premium design along with Bose new immersive audio features, which deliver some sound quality enhancement along with excellent sound and great noise cancelling. The QC Ultra headphones are also super for making calls. They're, they have different features like this. Their design is very upgrade, a lightweight and very comfortable, excellent sound, great noise cancelling. They also provide some cons like they have a higher price than the others. There are also some other like the Sony WH-1000XM5. When you have a product that a lot of people love, change can be risky. Such is the case for Sony's WH-1000XM5, the fifth generation of the 1000X series headphone, which were the first released in 2016. These are totally nice and amazing one with so much great features also present in the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra AirPods. These are also very nice and amazing one. While the QC Ultra earbuds are not the major upgrade over Bose excellent QC earbuds 2 that were released in 2020-22. They should fit more ears very well and they feature superb noise cancelling, arguably the best out there, and the natural sounding transparency mode with a new active sense features. These are totally nice one. They provide excellent sound and best in class noise cancelling. Fit kit air tips and stabilizer system also provide. They have some cons like no wireless charging or multi-point Bluetooth. Immersive audio modes enhance battery life. There are many other brands like the Airfun Wave Pro. These are also very nice and amazing one. Airfun has made some very solid budget earbuds and now it's entered the full-side ANC headphone space with its new FAR 2020-22. They have too many features like they have a good value, comfortable fit, a good sound for their low price, and a decent noise cancelling and voice calling performance. They have some cons like ANC disabled when in wired mode, lacking a bit of clarity. There are other brands like Apple AirPod Pro 2. These are also very nice one, like the AirPod Pro second generation are powered by Apple's new H2 chip, which delivers more. processing power while being more energy efficient and according to Apple. This new chip combined with new low distance distortion drives. These are totally nice. They have some pros like they have significantly improved sound and noise cancelling, a better battery life, and upgraded microphones. They also provide some cons like basically the same design as the previous model. They have no too much higher resolution audio. The Sony CH720N. The Sony improved are very nice. These are totally nice one with so much pros and cons also present in them that provide them in a proper way. They don't sound as good as the W8000 XM files. They have some pros like these are the lightweight and comfortable, a good sound with very good noise cancelling, a good voice calling performance, 35-hour battery life. They have some cons like no carrying case, no air detection sensors, no LDAC audio codec support. They also provide another features like the JBL Live 770 NC. It's a very the JBL is a very famous brand. You will not see these kind of features in every kind of headphones. The well-designed and comfortable JBL Live 770 NC offers some modest improvement over its predecessor, including a better battery life, up to 65 hours with ANC off and 50 hours with ANC on. They also provide some pros and cons. The pros are the well designed and comfortable to wear, a good sound quality, and a noise cancelling performance. They provide a strong feature set, a strong battery life. They have some cons like us, voice calling suffers in windy environments. So you should keep in mind both pros and cons while choosing any kind of product. I always categorize products on the basis of pros and cons and also on deals on present on the Amazon. If you want to buy from Amazon, just click on the links present in the description. You can easily get on sale and also on deals prices because I always categorize in these categories. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. If you find any kind of difficulty, I will surely reply. So have a nice day. Thank you.